In today's video, I'll show you how to add transitions between scenes in Descript. To get started, we are here on the main Descript workspace dashboard, specifically looking at the Recents tab, where you can easily see all of your recent projects. I'll go ahead and locate the specific project I want to work on today. I'm just going to click right on the project name in the list to open it up. Once the project fully loads, you'll see your script editor located at the top and the video timeline spanning across the very bottom of the screen. In Descript, your video is divided into different scenes, which you can clearly see separated down in the timeline. To add a smooth transition between any of these clips, simply move your mouse cursor down to the timeline and hover exactly over the vertical dividing line between two separate scenes. When you do this, a small Add Transition button will magically appear right on that cut. I'll go ahead and click on that button now. This action immediately opens up a transitions menu, giving us a wide variety of visual effects to choose from. You can see standard options like fade, blur, and a bunch of others. I'll scroll down just a bit to explore what's available. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose a classic and professional look, so I'll click on the Crossfade option. Now that the crossfade transition is selected, you'll notice the menu updates to show the specific transition settings. Here, you have the ability to adjust the exact duration of the effect. It's set to 400 milliseconds by default, but you can easily tweak this to make the transition faster or slower depending on your video's pacing. Once you are happy with the length, you can apply this single effect across your entire project to save time. Just look at the bottom of this menu and click the Apply to All button. Just like that, Descript has automatically placed this crossfade transition between every single scene in our entire timeline. To make sure everything looks perfect, it is always a great habit to review your work. I'm going to click around the timeline and play back a few segments of the video. As I hit play and watch the preview panel, you can see how smoothly the video now transitions from one scene to the next, creating a much more polished and cohesive final product. You can always go back and tweak individual transitions later if some need to be longer or shorter, but the Apply to All feature gives us a fantastic head start. Feel free to scrub through your entire timeline to double-check the newly added effects. And that's it. That's how you add transitions between scenes in Descript.